The objective is using the place value chart to record and name tens and ones within a 2-digit number. Pause the video and go over this vocabulary if you cannot remember what place value is. Now the question is asking how many balloons are there. First, you need to find out how many go under the ones in the place value chart. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the place value chart, you now need to write a 4. Now that we figured out how many goes under the 1 spot in the place value chart, we need to figure out how many goes under the tens. So notice that these balloons are separated and these ones are banded together. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that means we have 1 in the tens position because there is only one picture of banded balloons. So now you would need to write a 1 in the tens position. Now that we know there are 1 under the 10 spot and there are 4 under the 1 spot, we know that we have a total of 14 balloons. This next question is asking how many peanuts are there. So again, we need to figure out how many goes in the 1 spot first. And remember, in the 1 spot, it can only go up to the number 9. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if there are 10 that are left out, they cannot go under the 1 spot in the place value chart. So that means if we have no 1s, then we need to write a 0 in the 1s position. So now that we have our 0 in our 1s position, we do need to remember that we do have 10 peanuts just lying out that are not bagged up. We now need to figure out how many other bags of 10 we have. There are 1, 2, 3. So if we pretend that our 10 peanuts laying on the ground were also in a bag of 10, that means we would have a total of 4 bags of 10 peanuts. That means we need to put a 4 under the tens position in the place value chart. Now that we know we have a 4 in the tens position and a 0 in the ones position, we know we have a total of 40 peanuts. This says match the picture to the place value chart that shows the correct tens and ones. Now pause the video and give this a try. If there is 1 in the tens position and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones, then we need to find the place value chart that has a 1 in the tens position and a 7 in the ones position. And that would be this place value chart. So that means we need to write a line from that picture down to that place value chart. So now we have 1, 2, 3 tens, and then we have 1, 2, 3 ones. So the place value chart that would match would be this one because it has a 3 in the tens position and it has a 3 in the ones position. So now we need to draw a line from the picture to the place value chart. Next we have 1 group of 10, 2, 3, 4, a total of 4 groups of 10, and we have 0 in the ones position. So now the one that matches is going to be this one because there is a 4 in the tens position and a 0 in the ones position. Now draw your line from the picture to the place value chart, and then you are done.